Morning everyone. Today we'll try to understand how to install new font styles to your CorelDRAW. Open the web browser, visit dawfont.com. There are various font styles available in the website. Select the one which you needed. Let me go for Gothic in that some like modern. There are various font styles available here. God of War. Now let me download the font God of War. Click download. Okay, save it in a folder. Yes, it is downloaded. Now open it, unzip it, double click on TTF file, click on install. It will install in a second. Yes, installation is done. Have a look into this. The font name is God of War. Now we'll open the CorelDRAW. Now we'll search for God of War. See, now here you can see the one which you have installed. Select this, use this font. This is how we download various fonts and you can use it in our CorelDRAW. This is a one website from where you can download the fonts. Otherwise, you can just Google CorelDRAW fonts free downloads. You can find various websites from where you can download the fonts. Example, let me go 1001 freefonts.com. Click on the website, find the font style required, click on it. Yeah, see here, various font styles available here. Jungle. Okay, click on download. You can save it in your in a folder. Yes, download it, unzip it. Now click on TTF, press install. Yes, installation is done. Now you can search for, see here, it is available. This is how we install the fonts. Thank you. Any doubt, kindly comment on the comment section.